What if Revit could understand your intent and build for you? In this video, I'm going to show how you can connect Revit with an AI agent using MCP, or known as Model Context Protocol. We are going to use Revit MCP and Claude AI together with Revit to perform some AI task in Revit. Through this, you can convert your modeling software Revit into an AI assistant. So the Revit now can create model for you based on your query. Just type your command to create some element. So the Revit is going to create that for you. If you need a schedule, just type in that AI agent that I need a schedule. So the Revit is going to do the task for you. So let's begin. I am Jason. Welcome to this video. This is a beginner friendly video. If you don't have any programming background, then too you can start this task. So this is going to be a great beginning for everyone. Now let's see on what is MCP. MCP is known as Model Context Protocol. We are not going in deep into MCP concept and all, but just imagine MCP as a bridge. For example, from Revit you want some data, okay, and you want to use that data in some other AI agency. So here MCP act like an bridge between these softwares. For example, you want to create a wall in Revit. So you're typing the command in the AI agent, like I want to create a wall in Revit. So this AI agent will communicate with the Revit MCP. So the Revit MCP will extract all the data from the Revit, like current wall family type and all, and it will give back to the AI agent. The AI agent will build the card and it will send back to the Revit MCP. So the Revit MCP will push this into the Revit through the Revit API. If sometimes you may get some error, is it? So the MCP will capture those error while building and it will give back to the AI tool. So the AI tool understand the error and it will change the code accordingly. This flow works. This flow continuously works. Okay, that's how this works. Okay, so we have some couple of steps to follow. Without wasting time, let's get started. These are the procedures that we are going to do to set up the AI agent for Revit. Okay, first we have to install the Revit MCP plugin, then download Revit MCP folder. Through this folder, we are going to create some build actions. Later, we'll discuss what we are going to do. Okay, then we have to install the Claude AI and we have to do some setup in that too. Only three steps, simple, is it? So let's begin. These are the links which we needed. I will give these links in the description so you can go to this web page through that. Okay. First, in Git page, you have to download the Revit MCP plugins. Yep. Download the Revit MCP folder. Just go to the link, and from code, you have an option called download zip. Is it? Just download that file, and we are going to follow the instructions. You have to download the Claude AI desktop platform. Okay, from here. I have kept everything into one folder. First, install the Claude AI, then later Revit MCP plugin setup. This is the first step for install them. Click OK. Just do next. We have now more options here to select in which Revit you want to install. I'm using Revit 2023. That's why I'm using. I already have installed this file, so I'm not going to install that again. The next step is to unzip the Revit MCP folder which we downloaded. Click on Start. I'm putting that folder here. Okay. Folder. Go to that Revit MCP folder. Just copy this path. Okay, we are going to build Revit MCP now. We're going to install them. Okay, for that, go to command prompt, just type cmd. The default path will be something else, so you have to set the actual path of the Revit MCP folder. Is it? For that, type cd space paste the folder path and click enter. Now we are going to install the MCP. For that, type npm install. Sometimes you will get a couple of errors like this, but don't do the npm audit. It will create some more issues. Okay, I have faced it that it not worked for me. Due to this, we will go to the next step. That's creating the build. Okay, for example, here it's there. Run npm. For that, type npm run build. And that's it. Done. So just close the command prompt. We have a new folder called build. Just go to that folder. Then you can see a file called index.js. Is it? Just click on that one. Go to more options, and copy it as a path. Copy as path. Okay. Now what we have to do is we already have installed Claude AI. So just go to Claude. In Claude, go to File, then Settings. There is an option called Developer. Just click on Edit Config. So one config file, JSON config file will appear. You have to just double click on that. Here we have to paste some command. For that, what we have to do is go to the Revit MCP Git page and copy this JSON lines. Just paste them. You already have copied that index.js path, is it? Just paste that path here. Make sure that we have double slashes, okay? So type 2 slashes everywhere. Then click save. Close the file. That's it. Now what we have to do is go to Task Manager and Cloud Process. That's it. So all setup is done. I have opened a Revit file. Then we have to go to the Manage tab. Sorry, go to Add-in tab. Then click on Revit MCP switch. Now we have got a message called Open Server. What here really happening? Now there is a local host is created by the Revit MCP. Now the Cloud AI is going to communicate through the Revit MCP into Revit using this path. Okay, so that's what really happening here. So just click Close. After this, open Claude AI. Keep both inside. Now we are going to type some commands in Claude AI. Let's see will it work. First command is I'm going to create some wall in a hexagon shapes. Let's type that. Now this AI agent is creating the code and it is going to send that code to the Revit through the Revit MCP. You can see some processes happening here. Let's expand what process is happening. It's collecting, that family type of the walls, then it's creating a line based element. All the process is happening here. And you can see it's created a wall inside the Revit. Let's see them in 3D. That's it. Now we are going to increase the height of the walls. For me, I feel the height of the wall is not enough, so that I'm going to increase the height of the wall. Perfect. It created that one, is it? So this is how you can use Revit as an AI tool. Okay, now we have integrated an AI agent with Revit. Now we are going to change the color of the wall. That's it. Now the color of the wall got changed, is it? It's great. Now let's try some other operations like, I want to delete the wall facing the south side. So let's do it. That's it. It's great, is it? So now let's try some annotation part. Okay. I'm now in floor plan. Now I'm going to give the command to tag all the wall. Was in active view. That's it. Again, it's done, is it? Now let's create a schedule. Now what we're doing is we are sending the data to the Revit, is it? Now let's ask the AI to show some data from the Revit. Okay. So I'm typing display wall properties. Now you have got, is it? Show them in a table. See how it works. We have five walls, is it? Hexagon is having six sides, but we have deleted one wall. Now we have only five sides, is it? So now we have got a table. This is how we converted Revit modeling software into an AI assistant, is it? It is very fun and it is very easy to use. We can do a lot more tasks. In future, I'm going to come up with a lot more videos on AI, but how you can use Revit API and AI and a lot of things. Okay. And one more thing, in Revit MCP, if you're going to the GitHub, you can see some couple of tasks that we can do. You can try this too. Okay, it's listed here. In next video, we are going to see how we are going to use Revit and GPT-20. It's very interesting, is it? Let's wait for that video. I'm to doing a couple of R&D on that part. Then we will learn how we will train some models for the AI. We will give some Revit, Revit codes, and we will train some model. In future, we are going to prepare video on that too. I'm to doing some couple of R&D on that one. Let's see how we can um, create a good AI tool for Revit. This is a BIM channel. You're going to get a lot more information about BIM and other tools. We're going to make a lot more videos on automation part, automation using Dynamo, how to use AI in Dynamo, how to create some scripts in Dynamo, later the Python programming, and moreover, we are going to cover the C# adding creation as well. Along with that, we are going to make some content on BIM, clash metrics, clash detection, Naviswork 2, BIM clash detection and all. A lot more videos are going to come. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.